Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is about finding the number of squares and rectangles in some figures like this. That is, in these figures we have to find the total number of squares and rectangles. So consider the first figure. So here there are two number of columns and two number of rows, and here also three number of columns, three number of rows. Here four number of columns and four number of rows. So this is a type in which equal number of rows and equal number of columns are there. So in these types, how will you find the number of squares and rectangles? So consider the first one. So here 1, 2. There are two number of columns, and here also 1, 2. That is two number of rows are there. So here the number of squares is equal to first column square, that is 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So the number of squares here is 5. And how will you find the number of rectangles? So to find the number of rectangles, 1 cube plus 2 cube, that is number these columns like 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Then to find the number of squares, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus like that. And to find the number of rectangles, take the cube, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. So here we will get 1 plus 8 equal to 9. And here in number of rectangles we have another method also. So to find number of rectangles, another method is, here add these numbers, that is 1 plus 2 in the column and also in the row, 1 plus 2 in the row. Then multiply these two, that is 1 plus 2 is 3 into, here also 1 plus 2 3, and that is equal to 9 also. So to find number of rectangles we have another method also. Then consider the second one. So here the number of squares will be equal to 1 square plus, that is 1, 2, 3. There are three number of columns and three number of rows. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9, and that is equal to 14. And to find the number of rectangles, we have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, that is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 27, that is 36. Or it is also equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 into, here also 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 into 6 equal to 36 also. Now consider the third one. So here what will be the number of squares? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of columns and 4 number of rows are there. So number of squares is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, and that is equal to 30. And what will be number of rectangles? So number of rectangles equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, and that is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64, that is equal to 100. Or in other way, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10 into 10 equal to 100. So this is in the case if the number of rows and number of columns are equal, and if the number of rows and number of columns are unequal, then how will you find the number of squares and rectangles? So in the case of unequal rows and unequal number of rows and columns, so these are squares. So here there are 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. So how will you find the number of squares here? So if there are m number of columns and n number of rows, then number of squares is equal to m into n plus m minus 1 into n minus 1 plus m minus 2 into n minus 2 plus etc. up to when 0 is obtained. So this is the equation to find the number of squares. That is, here there are 3 number of columns and 2 number of rows. So we have 3 into 2, then plus 3 minus 1, that is 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus here also 2 minus 1, or 3 minus 2 means here 2 minus 1, that is 1 into n minus 2. 2 minus 2 means it is here we have to decrease 1 from this number, either decrease or minus 2 from the number of rows and columns, or we can minus 1 from the preceding numbers. So here 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we will get 6 plus 2 plus 0. So up to 0 we have to do. So here answer is 8. Then what will be the number of rectangles? To find the rectangles, here the second method in the previous problem, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, then into 1 plus 2, that is 6 into 3 equal to 18. So number of rectangles equal to 18. Similarly consider the second one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of columns are there. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 number of rows are there. Then number of squares is equal to, here 4 and 3 are the columns and rows. So 4 into 3 plus, then 4 minus 1, that is 3 into 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3 minus 1, 2 into 2 minus 1, 1, then plus 2 minus 1, 1 into 0. So here we will get 12 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0, and that is equal to 20. Then what will be the number of rectangles? So number of rectangles equal to, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is equal to 10 into 6 equal to 60. So this is the number of rectangles in the case of unequal number of rows and columns. So in this way we are finding the number of squares and rectangles in these figures. So thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.